about to eat, and then I saw Adele. She's talking with other members, and then Adele saw me, and I was like, like that. And then Adele saw me,
Guys,
and then
lahat
I
po
went to
nakita
the
ni
CR.
Adele, hindi
No,
lang po
before I
siya.
went to the
Huwag kayo
restroom,
maniniwala dyan.
Adele was like,
Lahat po nakita
hi,
niya.
hi, hi, like
Lahat
that.
po pinapansin
And then
niya.
Miho is, you guys said that Adele's crush is Miho, right? But why Adele go to our table? My gosh, girl! Oh my gosh, it's like 3 tables, and then di ba sa atin yung gitna?
Yeah.
Our table is in the middle, and then Adele was like, Adele was like, hi, 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 and then I was at the edge of the table, right?
Yeah.
I was at the edge of the table, and then Adele is inaasikaso niya yung mga pagkain. English siya. Inaasikaso niya yung mga pagkain.
Inaasikaso niya. She's preparing the food for us.
Yes. And then, hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko. English mo yun?
And I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, I don't know what to do.
I don't know what to do.
Yes. And then I go to the restroom with
With Adele?
No! No! Hindi! Yung isang yung isang, no! With other member. And then, other member, sinamahan ako sa CR. Sinamahan ako sa CR.
Which member?
Hindi, English ang
And then another member came with me to the restroom.
Yes, yes. And then, after I go to the restroom, I went back in the table, and then I saw Adele sitting beside, nasa tabi na siya ng upuan ko. I saw Adele sitting beside my chair.
Yeah.
Oh, di ba ako na nagano? Ako na Okay, and then I was like, oh my gosh, Adele's here. Why did you sit there? And then I was about to sit on my chair, and then Adele was like, we're shy type, we're both
Excuse
shy
me.
type, and then we sat there, and we're just like,
Excuse me.
and then Adele was
She makes Ubo the food.
she feed me. She feed.
She tamed me. Ano yan ikaw? Aso ka.
Guys, no. She feed Diane, and after that I said I'm jealous. Then she also feed me, right?
Yeah.
She also. No. I didn't say anything pala before that. Before that, I didn't say anything, and then she feed me, and then Diane feed her, and after that, I said I'm jealous. Then she also feed me, right?
Yeah.
She also. No. I didn't say anything pala before that. Before that, I didn't say anything, and then she feed me, and then Diane feed her, and then I said that, oh my gosh, I'm jealous. Then she's
Thank
like,
you so much for teasing
and then she's
me.
like that. And then after that, after that, guys, Adele was talking to me, and then I was so shy. That's why I'm not looking at her eyes. When I'm talking with her, I'm just like, Adele is here, and I'm like, yeah. Like that, because I was so shy. And then after that, the water is spreading.
She spilled the water. She spilled the water, guys.
Oh my gosh, Adele.
The
You're
water
making
is-
crazy. You're
the
driving me
water
crazy,
is-
Adele.
The water is spreading.
The water is spreading like boom. Oh, water is spreading like that. And then Adele was like, oh my gosh, she's like a gentle woman.
Yeah.
Yeah, she like that her hands in the table for the water don't spread me.
No, don't spill. So that the water
Yeah.
won't spill on you.
Yeah, the water don't spill on me. Then she's like that. No, it's okay, it's okay. The water is not spreading naman. Englishin mo nga yung baby. It's not
It
wet.
didn't get wet.
It didn't get wet, but Adele was like, "Hey, you go there. You go here. I will tutor." And then this is me, and I'm Adele. And then the water is not malayo. It's so far from me, so it didn't spill. And then Adele was like, oh my gosh, are you okay? Are you okay? Like that. And then no, I'm dry. My pants is dry. No. Like it's just like that. And I'm okay. Sige, go touch me. Touch me. And then I was like, we're shortcut. Someone is singing.
Ah.
Yeah, someone is singing.
Yeah.
And then Rihanna caught as a video. What tama ba?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then Adele is like, Amy, you know what, guys? There's so many girls in the table, but she called my name. I'm far from her, huh? I'm far from her, literally. And then she called me, Amy, and I didn't hear her, That's why Rihanna, hey, Ate Amy, Adele called you. And then I was like, what? Tas sabi ni Adele, Adele said that, it's for you, Amy. It's, ano yung sabi niya? That's my song for you, Amy.
Yeah, yung kinakanta.
And I was like, hey, what like that? Oh my gosh, guys. And then I was like, hey, don't be like that. I'm gonna fall for you. And then, fall for me only. She said that, guys. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Guys, pasabi na, 16 years old na si Adele.
Ito naman yan sa edad eh. Age doesn't matter, right? How tall she is.
How tall she is? Ano?
She's like, Adele is like this and I'm like that.
Yeah.
That's why if I am looking, ay,